Grade 4 Organizing Writing. Organizing writing is like arranging your ideas in a neat and clear way so that others can easily understand what you're trying to say. This includes using paragraphs to group related information, organizing your ideas in a logical sequence, and using transition words to connect different parts of your writing smoothly. Organizing using parts of a burger. Start with a plan. Before you write, think about what you want to say. Make a list of your main ideas and the details that support them. This is called an outline. Introduction. You're writing with an introduction that introduces your topic and grabs the reader's attention. You can start with an interesting fact, a question, or story related to your topic. Body paragraph. Each main idea in your outline becomes a paragraph in your writing. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence that tells the reader what the paragraph is about. Then, include details and examples to support your main idea. Transitions. Use transition words like first, next, then, and finally to show the order of your ideas. Transition words help your writing flow smoothly from one idea to the next. Conclusion. End your writing with a conclusion that summarizes your main points. You can also share your thoughts and feelings about the topic and the conclusion. Question: which of the following is the correct order of items from most general to specific? The correct answer is letter B. Landmass is the most general. Continent is more specific. A continent is a certain kind of landmass. Asia is the most specific. Asia is the name of a particular continent. So for our final answer, the correct answer is letter B.